Hello, stranger. It's been a Good morning. It is 4:37 a.m. And I am trying to start having a 4:30 a.m. wake up call instead of 5 a.m. to have a more productive morning. As you all know, in my Raven to 30 series, I am trying to be the healthiest version of myself before I turn 30. So your girl is back in the gym, okay? Back in the gym, weightlifting 3 times a week. The other 2 days, I'm either walking. I want to start doing step aerobics again and maybe even Pilates. But this is my 4:30 a.m. morning routine for a productive morning as a girl who has a 9 to 5, also has a content creator, and on top of being a wife, a sister, a friend, all those things. So let's have a good day. Before I do anything else, I start off by taking some time to read my Bible. You can't pour from an empty cup. You have to pour into your spirit first. I'm trying to read the entire Bible this year, so I'm currently starting with Genesis, and I'm of course more than halfway through it because we're now in April, okay? But I start off with reading my Bible. It's a quiet time for me to start the morning, and then I do some light stretching, just to wake my body up from, sitting at a desk all day yesterday, probably sleeping a little wonky, sleeping hard. But it's not just about moving. It's just about setting the tone for my day and literally just having some quiet time before the day gets started. My favorite supplements are the OxyShred Fat Burner. This one has some caffeine in it, so it's like a pre-workout, but also not anywhere near one. And then this is also the acetyl L-carnitine, which helps with muscle recovery. I am a very big fan of these two. These really help on my strength training days, just to give me a little boost of energy, because sometimes I need it because I don't always get 8 hours of sleep. You know what I'm saying? But I do a scoop of these in my water, shake them up, and this is what I drink while working out and on the way to the gym. I don't do any real skincare in the morning before going to the gym, mainly because I feel like it's kind of a waste of product. I just go in with some micellar water to get out all the eye boogers and that drool that's been around my mouth since I woke up this morning. And then I just go in with a little bit of lotion and some Laneige lip cream just to make sure I'm not out here ashy, but no real skincare. We save that for once we're back home from the gym, sweaty and getting clean for the day. When it comes to a gym outfit, one, I'm going to look cute. You want to know why? Because it's stuff I put on. But those Power Hold leggings by Fabletics are the one and not the two. I swear by them. I swear by them. As a girl who holds a lot of her weight in her belly, like, I need my leggings to not be rolling down. I need to not be trying to be them, make sure that they up and where they supposed to be. No, them Power Hold leggings are where they are supposed to be at all times. I love them. I typically wear a 2X, sometimes a double XL depending on what the style is, but typically a 2X. And I have plantar fasciitis, so I do wear a sleeve, a compression sleeve on my feet before on my weightlifting days, just to help with that support. Throw on some deodorant, okay. And for the girls with the big boobies, the Bare Necessities sports bras are my favorite. This is the high impact sports bra, and y'all, I am a 34. It's a L, I believe, in US sizing. Yeah, that's how it converts. So I'm a 34L. But some leggings, a cute graphic tee, a good sports bra is always going to be the key for me, because I'm comfortable, it's breezy, it's not too tight. Like, it's just the one and the two. It's just the one and the two. I do wear perfume to the gym. I'm curious, do y'all? Now, I'm not doing nothing crazy like no, full out Burberry perfume, but I do just throw in a little bit of Bath and Body Works just to give myself a little something, okay? Now, if you have not seen my content before, I went back to a relaxer in October, so I have to keep this silk press together because I don't want to be looking crazy just because I want to go to the gym, okay? So the koala method works for me. The girls on TikTok put me hip, and it has been helping a ton. So I don't do the full actual bun, so I really just do pigtails. I do 2 high ponytails with some scrunchies, and I could not find my Nike sweatband. I generally don't know what I did with it. I think I lost it, so I think that's a sign to check out some other brands and do a different one. Get a different one, but I just do 2 high ponytails. I do them a little tight just because I don't want my hair to be like falling, because that defeats the purpose. But just 2 ponytails, and this keeps my hair together. And because when I come back home, I'll show you how we get it back together after the gym. These are the best headphones I use. I use these every day. These are the Bose Quiet Comforts. This is the first generation. I have the Ultra ones for when I'm at work to drown out all of my coworkers' noise. But literally the best headphones. They fit in the ear perfectly. 10 out of 10. As you can see, I need to charge them, but 10 out of 10. Want to tell the people good morning, Lots? Stop being like this. Tell the people good morning.
Good morning.
Ahmaad is irritated. It's 5:56 a.m. So let's go inside. Woo, 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 woo. If you see any of my Instagram stories, you know that Ahmaad has very negative aura when it comes to being up this early going to the gym. Ahmaad hates going to the gym, no matter the time of day, but especially in the morning. Woo, 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 woo. Okay. Jesus, he's alright. Have you tried Jesus? 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 He's alright. Oh, you tried Jesus? He's alright. So, my Apple Watch was not recording for the workout today. So, did I even go? And Ahmaad didn't even have his watch. So, did we even go today? Now my watch gonna be calling me a fat ass Kelly Price and gonna be talking to me like Buddy Love talking to Sherman Club for not closing my rings.
You should have never called me a fat ass Kelly Price. You get mad off for that little bitty bull dog.
Very ghetto. But it is, 7:15 a.m. And I'm about to watch the Steve Harvey show, because that's what I do that's what we do in the mornings. Mapping out my day is essential. It helps me keep all of the brain dumping that I do, sitting at my desk, in the office. It just helps me gather all of my thoughts and also helps me stay on top of my work. My to-do list typically has nothing to do with my actual job. It has everything to do with content, helping out the church I serve, anything like that. Just make sure I am staying on top of it all. And then we get ready for the day. Some of my skincare essentials, especially in this season, is that Eucerin intensive repair lotion and that Lumi deodorant. Top tier. Okay, y'all remember how we had the pigtails? Let's get them together. All right, so I actually take the blow dryer on cool, so I do not take my hair out of those scrunchies until I have showered, because the steam from the shower and all of that. I have the blow dryer on cool, then I make sure that my edges are dried, as well as my kitchen, and then I just blow it dry on cool with my paddle brush, just to make sure it's fully dry in there. Okay, nope. There are a few skincare products that I swear by these days. I am using the Peach and Lily ginger oil milk cleanser. Then I went in with their hydrating cleanser. I am really a fan of the Korean skincare movement. Like, it's really doing big things for my skin. Today was just a hydrating skin day, so then I went in with my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Toner, the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Serum, the Inkylist Hyaluronic Acid, the Clinique intensive moisturizer, and of course my black girl sunscreen. Very simple, because I'm not leaving the house today. Today is a remote day for me, so I don't have to do too much. Just keeping my skin clean and moisturized for the day. Hydrating after and refilling back up with my electrolytes after the gym is key. So the next bit of water I have has this Mio Hydrate in it. I love the lemon lime flavor. It's my personal favorite out of the hydrates. A couple squirts in my water. Getting my breakfast together, and we're gonna start the day. I can't remember if I showed y'all or not, but this Simple Truth chorizo chicken sausage is so freaking good. I've literally had this every week for like the last 4 weeks. So good. One link is 150 calories and 14 grams of protein. So good. So I had like 3 or 4 russet potatoes left over from a meal we had last week. So I chopped those up, roasted them up, sauteed up that kale, bell pepper, and mushroom. Earlier in the week I had a diced onion, but I used all the diced onion I had and all the onion I had left, and so I don't have no more to put in this batch. But some mushrooms, and mix this all up, and this is great. I'm trying to have like a no egg breakfast. I'm on an egg ick, but a good soft runny egg on top of this would be perfect. Have a good day.